the productive items that we'll get from this grass, unnecessary grass. And with me, I have organic Noto teachers of Government Senior Secondary School Bongten, and this part especially will explained by Miss Rizana, who is a science teacher. Okay, will explain to the students. Okay, students, you will listen carefully. Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
So, firstly, I would like to appreciate the initiative which is taken by our Mr. Tenzing sir. So, student, you can see what is this?
Grass.
Oh, yes, it is unwanted grass which we have collected from the surrounding area. So, we can
Miss,
convert
You
this
can also stand here because you
waste
are
into a
organic.
natural fertilizer. Okay, so you can convert this grass into
Go, you can also.
natural fertilizer. So in order to convert this into natural fertilizer, first we need to cut unwanted grass, then collect it into a heap. So after piling up into heap, you must leave it like for 2-3 months. So after 2-3 months, during 2-3 months, what it happens is that by the actions of microorganisms, I have told you class 7, what is that? By the actions of microorganisms like very good, like bacteria, and by the actions of your heat, moisture, air, it gets broken down into smaller inorganic substances, which is called your humus. And it is that humus, it is very rich in your nutrition. So we can use this grass as a natural fertilizer for different your flowering plants as well as for your vegetables. So in order to enhance its productivity earlier, so we are mixing it with your manure. So we have bought manure, you know. So this manure, what it helps is that it helps to process this, it helps to convert into manure faster. That's why we are mixing this heap of grass with the manure. So got it, student?
Yes, Miss.
So what is the benefit of this grass? This unwanted grass? Now everyone be
Yes, speak,
audible.
speak.
Okay, we are converting this into natural fertilizer, that is your manure, and it is very rich in your nutrition. It is very rich in your nutrition, which is required by your plants.
We are utilizing it
Yeah.
for our organic kitchen garden.
So we are recycling this natural waste. Not only your this dry grasses, even your biodegradable waste which you generate from your house, like your vegetable peels, you can use that also to convert it into manure. So I request everyone to dump your manure over here.
Put hands-on training. Put
Everyone, please.
one by one.
So by doing this,
You have to
we
spread,
are
spread.
speeding up the process.
Okay.
So everyone, only 2 plastic.
You can do at your home also. Seriously, students. So bring. How many of you have brought?
Only 2 plastic. राम्रो लेखेको
यो काँचो राम्रो नि
Everyone, composting.
Say loudly.
Composting.
What is this process called?
Composting.
Okay, so you will try this at your home?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Very good. Clap for this. Okay. Clap for yourself. Okay. Now even this wastage also you have